Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, a customized hotspot password ensures that only authorized user can connect to your network, protecting your privacy and data from unauthorized access. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, after that, here you can select Connections menu. After that, select this option, Mobile, Hotspot, and Tethering. Okay, so now just the first one, and tap on Password to change it according to your needs. Okay, after finishing, and then click Save button here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.